If you're still writing plain CSS for every project, I've got news for you. It's 2025, and you're working way too hard. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 CSS frameworks that'll save you hours and make your sites look next-level professional without breaking a sweat. No more reinventing the wheel every single time. Let's get into it. Coming in hot at number 1, and let's be real, did you expect anything else? It's Tailwind CSS. You either love it, or you just haven't truly experienced its power yet. Look, I get it. At first glance, all those utility-first classes, they might seem a little, well, chaotic. But trust me, once you wrap your head around styling directly in your markup, without even touching a separate style sheet, you'll be blown away by the speed. We're talking building layouts, themes, entire pages in a fraction of the time. Plus, it plays perfectly with all the cool kids on the block. React, Next.js, you name it. Tailwind has basically become the gold standard for serious front-end developers. Sliding into number 2, we've got the OG, the legend itself, Bootstrap 5. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Bootstrap, isn't that like so 2015? But hold on, my skeptical friend, there's a reason why Bootstrap is still rocking the web development world. First off, it's like the Swiss Army knife of CSS frameworks. You get that rock-solid, fully responsive 12-column grid system that just makes layouts a breeze. And don't even get me started on the massive library of reusable components, nav bars, models, buttons, forms. They've got it all, ready to go, right out of the box. Bootstrap 5 ditched jQuery and gave the whole codebase a serious makeover. So yeah, Bootstrap is here to stay, and for good reason. Alright, coming in at number 3, we've got a bit of a rock star, Shadchan. Now, technically speaking, it's not just your average CSS framework, it's a full-blown component library built on the mighty foundations of Tailwind and Radix UI. And let me tell you, Shadchan brings the heat with its insanely well-designed, accessible components. We're talking buttons, inputs, models, drop-downs, all crafted with meticulous care and attention to detail. With Shadchan, you're not just borrowing components, you're taking ownership. When you install a component, it's copied directly into your project. You have the power to modify, tweak, and customize every single line of code to your heart's content. If you're serious about building polished, pixel-perfect React and Next.js applications that scream premium quality, Shadchan is your secret weapon. At number 4, we've got a framework that's all about keeping things lean and mean, Bulma. This bad boy is a pure CSS framework that's built with Flexbox in its DNA. It's modular, meaning you can pick and choose only the components you need. And here's the kicker, it's completely JavaScript-free. Bulma is known for being incredibly lightweight and easy to pick up, even if you're new to the world of CSS frameworks. And while it keeps things simple, it doesn't skimp on flexibility. If you're all about building lightning-fast, SEO-friendly websites without any unnecessary baggage, Bulma is your new best friend. It's particularly well-suited for blogs, portfolios, personal websites, basically anything where minimalism and performance are top priorities. And last but not least, rounding out our top 5, we have a framework that deserves way more love than it gets, UIKit. Seriously, this one's a hidden gem. UIKit is crazy lightweight, surprisingly powerful, and once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly intuitive to use. It comes packing a robust grid system that makes creating complex layouts a breeze, plus a whole arsenal of clean, well-designed components. Accordions, tabs, off-canvas menus, you name it. With just a few classes, you can tweak the look and feel to match your exact vision. If you need a CSS framework that's fast, elegant, and won't weigh down your websites like an anchor, especially if you're building smaller client sites or designs optimized for mobile, UIKit is your secret weapon. There you have it, the top CSS frameworks that are dominating 2025. Whether you want full control and speed with Tailwind, rapid prototyping with Bootstrap, customizable elegance with Shadchan, lightweight flexibility with Bulma, or hidden gems like UIKit, you've got powerful options. If you got value out of this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future web development gold. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments down below, which CSS framework are you rocking this year?